Before the start of the video, you will find a special offer in the description below the video. Shopify Freedom, created by Dan Voss, is a program promising to guide you through building a successful dropshipping business on the Shopify platform. Before investing, consider these key pros and cons. Pros: real-world instructor. Dan Voss is a successful dropshipping entrepreneur, providing credibility to his methods. Branded store focus. The course emphasizes creating a unique brand, potentially offering differentiation in a competitive market. Community support. Access to a private chat group and live mentorship calls may facilitate ongoing learning and support. Potential success. The course outlines strategies that have worked for others, offering a possible pathway to success. Cons. Costly investment. Shopify Freedom carries a significant price tag, creating a financial barrier to entry. Potential for information gaps. Reviews suggest the course may leave some important details uncovered, requiring supplemental research for a well-rounded strategy. Dropshipping challenges. The dropshipping model itself may present difficulties with product quality control and shipping delays. Not a guarantee. Even with the best training, success in dropshipping is not guaranteed, requiring hard work and dedication alongside a bit of luck. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.